Kate, what are you doing?
I'm putting out reindeer food.
How old are you?
7.
Today, how old are you though? Do you know how old you are today?
7.5.
Uh-huh.
You need help with the bag, Noodle? Or you got it?
I can get to that reindeer food somehow. Open it.
There you go.
It's like stapled and it's glued, so I can't go anywhere.
There you go.
Reindeer food.
Reindeer food.
Are your feet freezing?
Yes.
How's the reindeer food work, Kate?
It works so the reindeer can see where you're going, where your house is, and so that they can have a snack.
It's like while Santa is doing his business
The reindeer can...
inside the house, the reindeer can stay outside and get a little bite to eat.
That's a lot of reindeer food, but I guess there's a lot of reindeer out here.
Remember, there's Rudolph.
Does he get really hungry?
Yeah. That's
There you go. Do you see Santa? It looks pretty clear out there.
the rest of the stuff. There it is.
You got it all?
There's still something in there.
I think you're just hearing the rustling of the bag.
That's the end of poor Rudolph.
Okay. Let's see.
Thank you.
Take that little